Welcome back to our entertainment desk. Celebrated Kikuyu Gospel Artist Mary will be celebrating her 10 years in the music industry come this Sunday, 3rd of April 2022. Venue, Ruiru Stadium. Mary has done songs like Kururira Matuko Matana THIA Jagerero ni MAHINDA Wero and many more. Sponsors to mention a few: Eden Park, Petangs, Triple S, Nyumbani Concepts, Solai Paints, and many others. She has invited all her fans and supporters at Ruiru Stadium, where Karangu, Muraya, djmacdee, shiru, joyjanet, sammy, irungu, sammy, bettybayo, maggie, shii, and many other artists will be performing. Let's support her and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.